So now that you have a brand voice, how do you use it? Well, whenever representing your brand through text, copy, and speech, your brand voice should be central to that. Writing copy for emails, how you're coming across when people are opening those emails and reading about your product. Posting on social media, that's such a small aspect. It could be an image, it could be text-based, it could be a video, but those come across through your brand voice and the way that you're connecting with your audience. Writing blogs on your website, if you are educating others, it should also represent that same tone. And any type of correspondence with customers. So the advantage to having a brand voice is consistency across all platforms, creating a recognizable voice and representation of your brand. It's also easier for teams where there are multiple people who represent your brand. Think copywriters, social media managers, customer support, sales reps. Anybody who has potential communication with any of your customers needs to use your brand voice. Thank you, and I hope that you've been able to create something that truly represents who you are.
Want to discover how much money your email marketing can actually bring you? If that's the case, let our team of email marketing experts show you how. With our free email marketing audit, we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis of your email marketing efforts, provide you with an action plan, and show you how to effectively segment and convert your audience. Simply go to flowium.com/audit and book your audit today.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Flowium, hit the bell, and get more valuable content for you.